Patients had water in the hallways and the rooms for 24 hours before a volunteer flotilla started rescuing them.
When I opened the door, more water rushed in, and all of my stuff flew out, and it just kept coming in. All I could grab was my wallet and my phone. That's all I knew to grab.
You just see the water come up, making sure that all our family is safe. We just kept looking at the water, and it just kept getting higher and higher from 4 in the morning to 7 in the morning.
The entire city is underwater, the latest part of Texas to be hit with floods, with rescuers rushing to get to residents as the waters rise.
Parts of the state have seen almost 52 inches. That's about 130 centimeters of rain. The death toll as it stands now, at least 37 people have been killed since Harvey hit Texas as a hurricane last Friday.
Two men clinging to branches in fast-moving water were rescued by a volunteer rescue team after their car was swept away.
Prayed a lot, and we just praised God, and He really